a man from New York. He decided to return to Haiti for a land inheritance. They called him to divide the land. Friends, family, everyone gathered. But it wasn't love, it was a trap. They had already prepared the drink. Cola for everyone. But him? They poured it into a separate cup. He took it. He prayed over it. He drank it. But God was already there. They said, "We're not doing the land separation today. Come back another time." He got on his horse. On the way home, night fell. He started feeling unwell, hunger, dizziness. He lost consciousness. But he stayed on the horse. The horse kept going and brought his master home on its back. When his wife saw him, she screamed, "Wake up! Wake up! What did they do to you?" She lit a fire. She gathered leaves from the yard, setob, wild sage, bitter orange, and more. She made herbal tea. The man took the prayer he had written, burned it, and poured the ashes into the tea. He drank it. The poison couldn't stay. It came out. By God's power, he stood on his feet again. They tried to kill him for land, but no land is worth a soul. God always has the final word.